Right?
No, I'm not. Oh. On today's Brandon Weber Motorsports episode, we got some late models to power wash, and then we have some parts to put on.
Well, game plan is we're gonna get it running.
Yep.
Long story short. So, yeah, we noticed she's
Greasy.
yeah
Very greasy.
they're doing good terms. So we figured since we put the motor in, motor's greasy, it's a good time to just give her a quick bath and start fresh. So we'll hurry up, give her a nice spray bomb, probably go hang out with Josh and them for a little bit.
Yeah, we got some pit bike shenanigans to do.
Yeah, and then come back and hopefully have this thing running by the end of the night. So I think that's the plan.
That'll be nice. Fire this thing up. It's cold outside.
Oh, I'll fire the pig. Alright, no I won't. No I won't.
Got the choke
No I
pull?
won't.
The choke pull?
Alright, she's cold.
Damage, my bad. Front car.
Dude, she's washed. Who? Who cares? She's all washed up and
Froze.
yeah.
No, look at the
She's
icicles hanging.
where? Oh my god. Oh my yeah.
They're frozen.
Yeah.
It's cold out.
Yeah. Let's open the door and hurry up, get this thing back in, let it unthaw
Yeah, hypothermia.
for round 2.
Hypothermia.
Very nice. Very nice. I don't think so, but
I know so.
we better make sure we bring in the power washer too. Yeah, it's also getting crusty frosty. Oh, let me in, let me in, let me in. All right.
Before the cement pads ice rink.
All right, boys. Feel the rhythm.
Feel the ride. Get on up. It's bobsled time.
Hey, remember, you got to go hard left.
What the hell was that?
I don't know.
That sounded like brakes or something.
I'm sick and tired of us just finding random noises. God dang it. Shifting levers. I guess we never even realized those were on there. They didn't drag before, you know what I mean? They were just fine. Now all of a sudden,
They're still fine.
alright.
It was the first time we had to replace shifting linkages. Oh, they are kind of.
Yeah, I think that's what was dragging. So,
We've never had a good set of shifting linkages. They always get.
not wrong. God.
Now we gotta put them in the boys.
Oh my God, she's so frozen, boys. Yeah. So, I guess let's hurry up. Head over to Joshy's.
Turn the heater on.
Turn her heater on. Yeah. Let her on thaw for a minute, and then head to Joshy's. Put that in the fire. up, YouTube?
That's all I got.
All right, that's fair. So, we ended up staying at the Knoll compound a little bit longer than expected, doing some ripping.
Everything hurts.
Yeah, we're kind of feeling it today. So, since we didn't get the old girl running yesterday, we got parts yesterday. We're gonna get it running today.
That's the point.
Even probably on a 2-barrel, cause we need a fuel log. Which kind of sucks, but, you know, it is what it is.
You got all your mid plate and stuff bolted in, Joe?
He's working on it.
I'm close.
We ended up putting a
Like my side needs,
engine spacer
I need
in.
to let the engine down. That's what I need to do.
Okay, I can do that. I can do that.
I didn't know if you had.
Yeah, you should be good to do that.
Alright, lower her down.
All right, here
I
we
got
go.
like a half-inch gap. Under right here.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. All right, boys, coming down.
Mmm, crispy.
Honey, did I come down too much? Nope. Ready to keep some time.
Perfecto mundo, por favor.
So, what all we got? So while we were at Josh's, he ended up hooking us up again with, this time we got the fancy intake. We got some headers that when we mocked it up, they seem like they work. So, we're gonna keep robbing parts off the 380. And you done? Okay. So we took the plug wires off the 383. We what else do we have to take off? Probably the starter. Cause we got a couple spares.
Gotta rob all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, if it has to get fixed.
I
then-
think there's
Yeah.
a starter on that. So.
That's what I said. We gotta take the starter. We took plug wires. We're probably gonna put the fan on because that was a little rough.
You're rough.
So.
I feel rough.
I feel rough too.
Horrible. Horrible.
I feel horrible.
What?
My shit's hurt.
Oh, I bet. And then,
I'm broke.
talk about horrible too. Our old Monty 383, you see that? You see that? That's not good. Not good. Broken. Broken. Troy, update. Well, easy.
Well, first set didn't work. They're definitely for some high dollar heads that we don't have. So
Yeah. So now we're, these ones seem to work. Line up.
yeah, these are just some generic late model headers that Josh had. They're gonna work. So
They are gonna work.
let's clean the 20-year-old silicone off from them. They have not been used in a hot minute.
You wanna show them our issue we have going on here?
Or what?
The header.
Oh, the freaking like your port size. You know, you got your
No.
Oh, the crack, the hole.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny because I had to put a ding right there anyway, and then I flipped it over. I'm like, oh, there's a crack.
And our next issue is the welding helmet.
Yeah, I don't have my welding hood or anything with me today.
I'm pretty sure my batteries are dead in mine. So we're improvising.
Yeah, and I don't feel like being blind, so
I think Jeff has the other header on that side going on.
my body hurts from riding pitters for like 8 hours yesterday. I don't need to be blind also.
And then after raising the motor, we were gonna switch out fans, but I think I'm gonna wait a second because I gotta put the radiator in and see if we need a different spacer.
Did you ever have one of them 3-blade fans or no?
No,
No,
I haven't been that fancy yet.
Okay, I can't remember if you had one.
But I mean, with a late model, maybe we'll be that fancy. Talk to me.
I'm listening.
Talk to me.
I'm following what you're stepping in.
Oh, let's check on Jeffy over here. Oh my God, dude,
She look good?
she looked good. She's on. That's half the battle, you know.
Oh, the tiger's on.
What? Go figure.
Go Detroit.
Sport.
Yeah, go Detroit.
But yeah, we're gonna keep picking away. Troy went through our 4-barrel we got here.
Shit.
But we need a fuel log, so
Yeah, it's clean and ready to go.
so for now we're probably just gonna bolt on the 2-barrel to get her fired, and then
Pro lathe.
yeah, work on fixing things as time goes on.
Got the old Jeep motor in there.
Dude, she's a ripper.
Jeep Van Warmer.
No, I'm
Jeep
thinking
who?
like Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Oh.
What? Never heard of her.
I rode in a few.
Well, boys, we got the old Never Start. About to put her in the late model. Had to pull it out of the modified, but she'll do. So, Troy, fancy late model stuff.
Dude.
What?
Sweet.
Oh,
We're like trying to figure out how the heck to get the damn battery in there, and then we noticed the battery tray wiggled, and then we noticed more stuff. Next thing you know, we noticed, hey, that bad boy rotates when it goes in there.
yeah, this is some rocket late model stuff.
Fucking bad.
If it fits right.
Hold on. Struggling.
All right. Okay. That's effective.
See the form?
Oh, I see the form.
Oh shit. Look away. Don't show the girl.
All right.
Alright, think the batteries. Battery's too battery.
Alright.
gotta-
How far back does that box come?
What's the speed eater? What do you mean?
This box. What it? That's Jeff Tone.
No. Around. Jesus.
Yeah! Yeah, go team! Go team! Yes! All right, Troy.
Brush it off.
Batteries in. Got a new flex plate on. That's on. Couplers on.
Wiring is a nightmare.
Wiring's a night. You have wires thrown everywhere. I just
Dude,
gotta
the
find
wiring
them.
is terrible on this thing. It's been hodgepodge probably 3 or 4 times, and
Do some rewiring.
they're all corroded, nasty looking.
Okay, where's Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
So see.
Yeah. Not good.
Not good.
Well, we think everything's hooked up.
I don't know which way the ignition works. Ooh,
Oh,
that's definitely on.
so it rolls over. Oh shit! God damn! It scared the shit out of me.
She fucking runs, boy.
Oh.
That was bad.
She run. Oh my god! Yeah, I just loaded her up with some carb clean. Now she's smoky as shit. Oh, Smokey been sitting for a minute.
We need something to press.
Oh, yeah, that was on me. Surprised she runs. We
I mean, it parked off. There's still no gas up
we
here
took
yet.
all of that wiring out. So, but apparently we didn't do.
Dude, okay.
Or we did something right.
issue that, yeah. Well, it's HCI. I mean, God, that's
Yeah.
as easy as it gets.
Plug and
You know,
play.
the quick car wiring kit. I don't know who.
Go on.
Someone got into it and started splicing off from it, and they're not good. There's plug
Got the
connectors.
panel back in with 2 switches, cause The rest of the switches
I
looked
think the only other ones we're gonna need
little
are
rough.
the brake shut off and the fan for your helmet.
Yeah, maybe
There is a spot that says fan.
maybe cool lights, huh?
Yeah, some dash lights.
We could do something like that. I'm down.
Yeah, so it's there.
But wow, I can't believe it fired.
Yeah,
Try it again. Try to get some feel.
You want to put some water in this bad boy?
We probably should.
I feel like we should put some water in there and then see if we can't get a little bit of gas. Fill the float hole a little bit.
And try her again.
Well, yeah, she runs instantly. That's the first time it's ran in what? A couple years? Probably three.
Since it was in that truck?
2-3 years.
It's been a minute. Yeah.
Stinky.
Got some stank on
She still fires.
Got some stank on her, man.
Alright, so we're gonna take 5.
I'll tell you what, over there, I swear to
Uh-huh.
God. Boomhauer.
Alright, well, let's take a 5-minute break.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Get some water, get some gas.
Dude, it's snowing. What the
Try
heck?
again. Yeah.
Oh, what the?
Oh! We got a little bit. Try it again.
Thermodynamics. Look it up.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Think that's enough to get a little bit more? Alright. Probably just some 1 ton anyways. All we need is probably 93 for that hot rod. For that pig. Alright, let's give that a go. Ooh. Ooh. God. Dude, I need a set of New Balances because I am such a carb guy. Look at me go right now. Oh my God. Oh, hey, oh, yeah. All right. All right, moment of truth, hit her again. Let's see if it works.
You gotta give it a go.
Oh yeah, yeah. So far, nothing.
Yeah, it was like, you didn't hardly feel it, Brandon.
Oh, I was on a roll, bud. Oh my God. Stop, I panicked.
I was hoping you were going to jump a little bit more than that. I was hoping. But
Oh my
you're
God.
so zoned in and didn't do anything.
Yeah, you know you can't do that stuff to me.
Alright, see if you got some sport action.
I hope so. I'm starting to run out here.
Ooh, I heard it. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a oomph.
There's no throttle spring.
Oh yeah.
You want to hit the thing?
Uh,
it was just
right.
No, I'm not.
Hey. Well, she runs.
Smoky thing, there.
It is a little smoky in here. But she did run on the 2-barrel. Now what we have to do is put some more barrels on her.
Yeah, wait for the 4-barrel to show up in the mail.
And she'll be a ripper, but truthfully, she sounded like a plow truck. I think.
A little bit. Sorry. It runs.
That'll do, pig. That'll do. Dude, I'll take it. It runs. Everything today,
It went smoother than expected, the startup.
Yes. Sprayed her with a little bit of carb clean and...
Yeah, gave her some of that Cosby sauce. And, she barked off.
And she loved it. She loved it. So, at least we made it that far. The old 360 still runs. So that's half the battle, I guess, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got all our goodies from the old Knoll compound. Had some fun on some pitters.
Yeah, I'm still sore. Back hurts.
Now the late model motor runs, so all a success.
I'm telling you, it sounds like it belongs in that Jeep it came out of.
It does.
Because it is in the late model.
So Troy,
Making a late model.
as always, send the people off. Let's do this.
Hey man, we're one step closer. Next week, hopefully put that butte in here, get a drive shaft and all the rest of the good shit. Good stuff.
Get this sucker rolling here soon.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
It's pretty close.
She runs.
In there.
Now
Oh.
just gotta make her move.
Yeah. Well, I guess. As always, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.